Nothing pulls a crowd like nachos, and this Mexican-style egg nachos can be enjoyed any night of the week. Begin by heating the oil in a large deep frying pan over medium heat. Cook the onion, capsicum and garlic until soft. Then add the mince. Cook the mince, stirring with a wooden spoon to break up the lumps, until it changes colour. Add the seasoning mix and stir until well combined. Then stir in the canned tomato. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer until the mixture thickens. Then stir in the black beans. Sprinkle the cheese over the top, using the back of a spoon to make 4 large indents in the mixture. Crack an egg into each indent. Then cover the pan and cook over medium heat until the eggs are cooked to your liking. Top with the avocado and a big dollop of sour cream. Add coriander and season with pepper and serve with corn chips to scoop up the flavours. Loaded with delicious ingredients, this one-pan nacho dish is a total winner.